Once a user has joined your workspace, you can change their role through the member list. To view the member list, tap Invite Users from the dashboard, then tap the team member to change their role. You can also remove them from your workspace by selecting Disable User. There are 3 roles within Easy Expense: Admin, Manager, and Member. Admins can view and edit all expenses, invite and disable users, set user roles, and modify workspace settings. Managers can only view and edit all expenses. Members can only view and edit their own expenses. Here's an example of a manager and member's perspective. Notice how the manager can see all the expenses, compared to the member who can only see their own expenses. Here's what happens in real time when a member adds an expense. We'll have the member set the total, date, vendor, and payment method. After saving the expense, you can see the expense appear from the manager's perspective. The next thing to consider is the Hide Payment Method setting, which can be found in the workspace settings. This setting only applies to the member role. When set to true, members can only see their own payment methods. When set to false, members can see all the payment methods in the workspace. Regardless of these settings, all users share the same vendors and categories.